This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable baking cups, specifically these aluminum baking cups with plastic lids. Now, the cups are a great sturdy aluminum, which makes them an easy option for baking. You don't need any special pans or anything like that, which you normally do with paper cups. You can just line these up on your sheet tray and go right into the oven, meaning that you can use them without any other specialty bakeware, which is fantastic. They also have a lot of colorful options and two different shapes, meaning that there's a lot of variety for a variety of different types of baked goods. And in addition, they're kind of colorful and attractive. So you can buy ones that go with your branding or with a variety of different events and occasions. So the round are a 4-ounce capacity, and they have a 3¼ inch diameter, and they're 1½ inches deep. And the square are a 10-ounce capacity. You're 4½ by 4½ inches and 1½ inches on the side. And as you can see from our little stack in the back, you've got a lot of great color options. We've got blue, gray, purple, orange, white, a pistachio green, which is a lovely touch, and also a lime green and pink. And then the lids you can get to go with them, which are sold separately, come in either flat or domed for both the round and square, meaning that you can stick a lid right against the surface of something like, say, a coffee cake or a crumb cake, or you can go with one of the domed options if you're looking to put something like toppings or frostings on top of things before you pack them up. This means that these make a nice to-go or grab-and-go option for a bakery or a restaurant, whether you're doing cupcakes, brownies, bars, coffee cakes, creme brulee, or anything else sweet, or you're just looking for something to package side dishes and other small items in, especially if you want something that can go in the oven, which the bases can, obviously not the lids, which makes them a great way to heat up things like green beans, mac and cheese, or mashed potatoes if you're sending side dishes home for to-go orders. Right? So in addition to that, they're also going to be great for things like party favors. So if you're doing some party planning, you have an event coming up, you want something colorful, say to pack a cupcake in to go, you can bake them then right in the containers, less mess, less fuss, get them decorated, stick those lids on. They fit nice and secure, and they're perfect to go in goodie bags and other stuff. So these make a lot of great options for people, whether you're looking for something for your food establishment, for to-go options, or if you're just doing some party planning for the festive holiday season and you're looking for some colorful and attractive options to give to your family, friends, or guests.